Before Gardenary, I was a cake artist. I went in and did birthday cakes, wedding cakes. I joined Gardenary because I had a desire to grow vegetables and to teach other people how to do it. I think it's really important for us to go back to our roots and where things started. And after I learned it and loved it so much, I thought it was important to teach others, and Gardenary had the perfect system, the perfect program to get me started in that direction. Now that I've started my own business with the help of Gardenary, life is amazing. Not only do I get to see my clients' excitement and see them learn and grow, I get to help provide another way of life for some people. Some people now garden just for their families. Some people share it with those in need. So it's just completely amazing. I would recommend the Gardenary program for those who do have like an entrepreneurial spirit, but who also want to help people. Gardening itself is a form of help and charity, and the person that loves gardening, even if they don't know everything, should get into the Gardenary program. Nicole has helped me grow in tremendous ways. Like the way she leads and the way she encourages is beyond anything I've ever experienced. She's understanding, she's empathetic and sympathetic, and she makes sure that you know what you're doing. And if you don't, she's there to provide an answer and to lead you in the right way.